devices. So in this intro video, we're going to be going over a quick demo of the application, and then we're going to be talking a little bit about what you guys are going to be learning throughout the process and what you'll be able to do by the end of this course. So let's go ahead and get started with a quick demo. So this is our completed application, guys. We have all these Pokemon being loaded into a collection view. And let's go over some of the functionality we have. First off, we can search through our Pokemon. So if I were to start typing out Char, we see that our results filter in real time as the user types in text up here. And if I were to keep going, it just shows the Charizard or who I'm searching for. And then we can hit cancel and it reloads all of our Pokemon into our collection view. We can also hold down on a Pokemon and it presents this really cool pop-up window with an animation and a blur effect. And we can also hit this view more info button. It dismisses that pop-up window with a cool animation and then takes us over to this really cool info controller with more information about our Pokemon. And we can also achieve that just by clicking on each one of our Pokemon cells. So now that we've gone through a quick demo, let's go over what we're going to be learning in this application. So we're going to be learning how to work with collection views. All of these Pokemon are populated in a collection view, and each Pokemon is represented in a collection view cell. So that's something that we're going to be learning how to do. We will also learn how to implement this search bar functionality. So there's a ton of cool search bar functions we're going to be working with in this project, and we're going to be obviously implementing the functionality to be able to search through all of our Pokemon just like that. And we're also going to be learning how to fetch data from an API. So that is one of the big components of the course. We are going to be fetching all of this Pokemon data from a REST API, importing that into our application, and using that information that we get back to construct all of these Pokemon, all from the images that we see to all of this information that we see here. Some other cool stuff we're going to be doing is learning how to implement this really cool animation to bring in this pop-up window, how to pass our custom object of our Pokemon into this custom subclass that we're going to create, and how to implement some action handlers for that custom view that we're going to be creating as well, along with all of those really cool animations. And some other cool stuff we're going to be learning that's really fundamental to becoming a good iOS developer is how to organize our project. So we're going to be doing this under the Model View Controller, or MVC architecture pattern. That's a very important thing to understand if you want to become a good iOS developer, and it's covered in detail in our course. Another thing that we're going to be doing is creating all of our views and adding all of our constraints programmatically. So that's what you see with these functions here. We notice that we don't use storyboards. There's a lot of disadvantages to using storyboards and a lot of advantages that we see with creating this stuff programmatically, which is what we're going to be learning how to do in our course here. Now, all of this stuff is going to be taught to you by a professional. I have been a professional iOS developer for 4 years now. All of the code that you're going to be seeing is code that you would be seeing in the professional world, as well as all the techniques that you're going to be seeing as well. So you're not just learning how to build a Pokedex here, guys. You're learning a lot of really cool fundamental programming techniques, as well as a lot of really cool tips and tricks that you're going to see or need to become a good iOS developer. Not to mention that this is a great project to be able to add to your portfolio as a developer. It's really cool to be able to show off to potential employers and even family and friends, to show off your progress on your journey to becoming an iOS app developer. So there's no reason for you guys not to take this course. It's awesome. You're going to be learning a ton of really cool stuff and a ton of awesome fundamental programming techniques. We'll see you in the course. Hope you guys enjoy it. Happy coding, everybody. Peace out.